Hello to you all. My name is Dan Milam. I'm a real estate attorney, and I'm with Emily Godrich, and we're giving you instructions on how to sign and get notarized your deed and accompanying documents. Normally, you'll have something called a general warranty deed, and it will have the seller's names. It will have your names spelled exactly as they were on the prior deed in. What you're going to want to do is, normally, there'll be a page 2, and one of the two of you will sign your name exactly the way it's marked or typed and have it notarized. Then page 3 will have the other of your signature lines. You'll sign exactly as typed, have it notarized on the 3rd page. Importantly, on the deed, not necessarily on the other documents, but on the deed, you need to make sure that you do not go out into the left or right-hand margin with either your signature or the notary with their signature or their seal. If you accidentally go out into the last 3/4 of an inch on the left or the right, you will have to pay an extra $25, which goes to the Register of Deeds because it's in violation of their scanning rules. So that's the general warranty deed. That's what conveys the property from you all to the other people. Then the next item I wanted to mention is something called a lien waiver. A lot of people get confused. It has a weird title. It says Owner's Affidavit and an Indemnity Agreement. Let me just tell you, the shorthand is this is your promise that you have not done any major work on the home in the last 120 days and that whatever mortgage or mortgages you have on the property have already been disclosed to the attorney for the buyer. So this document at the lower left, you'll both need to sign your names and then have one notary for the two of you in the middle of the bottom of the page. There is no rule about going out in the margin on this document at all, so you can sign it and have it notarized out in the margin wherever you want to. The third document I will normally have is called a limited power of attorney. This is where you are authorizing Emily or someone on her behalf, if for some reason she can't be available, and she'll let me know that in advance. You're authorizing Emily to be able to sign the closing statement and any other disclosure documents at closing on your behalf. This prevents you from having to attend the closing as well as in addition to signing these documents outside of closing. Again, all you'll do, there's normally a signature for one of you on the first page, second one on the second page. And the notary, make sure that it's not Emily who notarizes those pages because she's the one you're giving this authority to. Then the last document, and this sometimes is for both of you, sometimes there's one for each of you, sometimes it's just for one of you. This last document is called a FIRPTA, F-I-R-P-T-A Affidavit. It's a simple document where you identify your social security number, you also identify your forwarding address, and then you sign it and date it. This is for our purposes to hold just with the file to file an electronic 1099 document at the end of the calendar year on behalf of you as seller and all other sellers we've been involved with in all our closings during the year. So again, there are 4 normal documents: the general warranty deed, the lien waiver, the quasi power of attorney, if you will, and the FIRPTA document, which gives your your social security and forwarding address information. And again, the only one that, please sign exactly as typed. And if your name is misspelled, please for some reason let Emily know, and she'll get up with me and we'll either make the change or figure out how to rectify it. Because what I'll do, I will proof these before they go out, but they'll normally have your name exactly as it appeared on the deed conveying into you. And of course, if you ever have any questions, you can contact Emily and she'll contact me on your behalf. Thank you.